going on our dinghy into this beach here. We came across the bay on our little dinghy. It's quite the expedition. And anyway, look at all this driftwood. My gosh.
Look at the teepee out of wood.
Wow. Oh yeah, wooden teepee right there. Oh, look at the bridge up in the front. That's wow. There's Reception Pass up ahead up there. And we are way the heck back there. Super far. Yeah, I can barely see my boat. It's so small back there. So far away. Anyway, we will see what we see here. There could be a lot of clams, or there's a seagull over there eating a clam. They always say you're supposed to. Wait, this looks like a good spot right here.
So here we are on Kiket Island. It's an Indian island. And it says right there on the sign, tribal tidelands, no harvesting. And I should have realized that, because as soon as we got on the beach, it looked like this place was loaded with clams. We saw squirts all over the place, and I think we could have really scored big had we decided to do some clamming. But at any rate, so this is the spit of land, Kiket Spit. And you just walk a little bit up this hill, and there's a whole body of water on this side. So this truly is a little spit, as you can see. Ooh, look at that bay over there. That would have been a nice place to anchor. And our boat is way off in the distance. It's that little speck. It's the third boat from the left is our little boat. And as you can see, it's low tide. It's a nice little beach over there. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty wild. I don't think anybody lives on this island.
That's what she was saying is fenced over there. You can't go on that hill.
Oh, they won't let you on the hill, but God, I'd like to climb that hill. It'd be really fun. Anyway, look at all this driftwood. Wow. That's crazy. I love driftwood. Anyway, that's it. Well, we're on Hope Island and checking it out. Beautiful trails, beautiful forest with ferns and first growth trees. It's actually really beautiful, and it's a great place to camp. You actually are allowed to pitch a tent, and they have fire rings and picnic tables, and really would be a nice place to bring the family and there's Sweet Pea back there and camp out for a few days. It's pretty awesome, actually. Pretty as any place that we've been so far.
Whoa! Oh man, how are you gonna stop? Oh, don't hurt yourself. I don't know how to ride the boat. Okay, that was.
Getting it all on video?
Yeah, that was funny. Sweet Junebug, come on. We went in the forest and it's all dark and dreary and it's raining and we have thunderstorms happening. And then there's Baldy and and there's Junebug up ahead waiting for us, wondering what the heck's taking you guys so long. Special day. It's the beginning of Memorial Day weekend, and on Memorial Day weekend they open this Westcott Bay Shellfish place where you can get clams and oysters and scallops, mussels. and we've never been able to go before. We always miss it. We're always too late. And today we are on our way over there in our dinghy. It's about a mile over there. We've pre-ordered because of the COVID thing. You can't eat there, but we've ordered our food and we're going to pick it up. And we will later have a feast, which we will show you that later. So we're on our way, and I'll show you some more when we get a little closer. So we got our stuff, and we talked to a guy, and he was explaining to us how the oysters are grown in these bags in here that are all floating along the sides, and they go up and down with the tides, and that makes them not grow flat. I can't remember exactly what he said.
Different. And there's 3 different species that they grow.
3 different ones, yeah.
And they harvest every 2 years.
Oh, every 2 years.
Yeah. And then they also grow clams in the mud flats. They just dig for them every couple years or something.
There's a raccoon right there. When we got here, he had a little crab he was eating, but then he left that, and now I think he's digging for clams. It's very low tide right now. You can see him digging right there.
We're going to be digging for clams soon.
Yeah, we're going to dig for clams in a little bit, but yeah, he's eating something. He picked out, I don't know what it is.
Well, it's too bad. He had a big crab right there, and he just left it.
Because
he
killed
saw
it.
us, that's why.
Look at him walking. He's really a funky looking little guy. He's not a huge one.
No, he's a youngster.
Yeah, but I don't see any more. He looks like he's all by himself.
You saw a large one yesterday.
Oh, I saw a huge one running across the beach yesterday. Yeah. And then of course we saw that one that was like tame, about the size of this one, just sitting in a yard.
With cats.
With cats all around.
Just chilling out.
Crazy. Anyway, there he is. We got mussels and clams and oysters. First, we're going to make clams and mussels in a wine and garlic sauce. So we'll see how that works out. And then the oysters, we're going to shuck them and have them on the half shell. Okay, so we went clamming.
And oystering.
And oystering. And oysters. Yeah, I think we're going to barbecue the oysters tonight. And that'll be delicious. Have that with some beer. Although Bruce said he's had enough seafood for a few days. So we'll see. But we got a lot of clams in there. Some of them we will eat now, and some of them we will, the big ones we will freeze. Bruce will clean the meat out of them, and we'll freeze it and make clam chowder.
That's a clam.
Yeah, that's a big clam, so those aren't necessarily good to just munch on, but we'll make clam chowder with those. So anyway.
No, those aren't too big. Those are good.
Those are okay? Okay. We'll see.
It's a messy job. Somebody's got to do it.
Somebody named Bruce. Okay. So So this is the clams and mussels in wine and garlic and butter sauce. Everything looks so good. Bruce had a bite, says it's delicious, and so we're going to dig in now. If this sunset isn't beautiful enough, wait till you see what I have to show you. Look at this rainbow. It's been here for like a half hour now. It just kept getting brighter and brighter. It's sort of starting to get a little bit more diminished right now, but it's still beautiful.
Look at the sky, it's all pink.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Just
Yeah,
beautiful.
it's just as defined on the left as it is on the right.
There's definitely a pot of gold over there. I have to go find it tomorrow.
That is right where we got all that shrimp this morning, right where that thing ends, where that rainbow ends is where we were this morning when we got all of our shrimp. I think we got the pot of gold left there.
And then obviously